Okay, we're starting in Word Unit B, which is editing documents. So go ahead and open your Word document, or open Word. The objectives for this unit is to cut and paste text, copy and paste text, use the Office clipboard, find and replace text, check spelling and grammar, and add hyperlinks. You should be following along in your book on Word page 26 for cutting and pasting. Let's click on our File tab and click on Open. When you are working with files in this class, there's a very specific way I want you to open them. And to do that, you need to go to Computer, Multimedia, and remember, go to your folder. Mine's in Spring 2013. Yours will probably be in a different folder. Go to your name. Then you should have a Word folder and the Assignments folder. Remember, Assignments is where you save everything. Your Word folder is where you're going to open everything. So you click on Word, and we're in Unit B, and you need to open B-1. Okay, before we do any editing to this, we need to go File and Save As. And it automatically takes you back to your Word folder where you opened it. You do not want to save over the original file. So you need to go back to your name. You can click up here in the title in the bar up here. Click on Assignments. You will need to create a new folder called Word Unit. Hit the wrong button. Word Unit B. Open that folder, and you're going to save this document as WDB-lecture PR and click Save. Okay, replace Ron Dawson with your name. And scroll down until the headline Helen Moffat is at the top of your document window, and click Show Hide Character buttons. Select Alaskan Guide Gilbert Cohen, including the comma after it. And click the Cut button. So go up to your Home tab, Clipboard Group, Cut, which is your little scissors. Place the insertion point before African but after the space in the first line of the third paragraph. First line, third paragraph. 1, 2, 3. African. And click the Paste button. Press and hold your Control key and click the sentence, Ticket prices include lunch, fourth paragraph. Tickets. And you have to press space after your comma up here. Okay, you want to click and hold on that sentence until your mouse changes to like mine is with the little clear box, and drag to the end of the 5th paragraph. Deselect everything and save. Go ahead and turn over to page Word 28, and we're copying and pasting text this time. Select Travel Luncheon in the headline and click the Copy button. Place the insertion point before season in the third paragraph and click the Paste button, but click the down arrow. And you want to click Keep Text Only. What this does is it allows you to change the font size to whatever you're pasting it into, and it'll keep the words. Select the link, the www Quest Specialty Travel in the 5th paragraph. And press Control and drag a copy of that to the end of the last paragraph. Place your insertion point before the link and backspace up to website, type space at, go to the end and put a period. And then save. So as of right now, you should have Quest Specialty Travel in the link in 2 places. It should say at that link and then a period at the end. Your ticket price lunch should be at the end of the last paragraph. And we've moved your Alaskan guide, Gilbert Cohen. Go ahead and turn over to the next page, Word 30. And click the Launcher button for the clipboard group. And go ahead and clear all. Select the sentence San Diego Union Tribute. And click Cut. Select the sentence A Detailed Schedule. And click Cut. Place the insertion point at the end of the 2nd paragraph after quarter and click San Diego Union Tribute, and that'll paste it in there. Place the insertion point at the end of the 3rd paragraph after the writer Lee and click A Detailed Schedule in your Office clipboard. So what you're doing is you're pasting from your clipboard. Select the 4th paragraph, which is This is the event, and click Cut. Place the insertion point at the beginning of the 3rd paragraph and click the Paste. Okay. And then press the backspace key. So you're combining those 2 paragraphs. So now, at the end of the paragraph, press your delete key twice to get rid of the extra spacing between the paragraphs. Let's go ahead and shut off our characters. So go to your home, make sure you're on your Home tab, shut off your characters. In your clipboard group, clear all. Then do a Control Home, which takes you back to the beginning of the document. Turn over to page Word 32. And click the Replace button, which is the little icon that says AB arrow to AC, which it should say Replace, but if you've got it, your screen shrunk down, you may not see it. So click on the Replace, and it brings up a dialog box. And you want to click on More, so we want to see more options. And type, for Find What, type luncheon. And you want to replace with lecture. And you want to click Match Case. And click Replace All. It'll come up and tell you, okay, 3 changes have been made, and click OK to accept them. And then you can close your Find box. Click the Find button and type lowercase l luncheon. And it should find one word for you. Go ahead and you can close the navigation and the clipboard group and do a Control Home to take us back to the top. Right click on Moffat and click Ignore All. So what we're doing is we're checking our spelling now. We're telling Word that we want to ignore all instances of Moffat. Do a Control Home. Click on your Review tab and click on the Spelling and Grammar button, ABC with the check mark. First one it comes up with is my last name. You can click Ignore All if it's your last name. If your first one is inaugural, you want to change. Gas lamp should be so we're going to ignore all for gas lamp. And this one it shows that you have 2 R's, like tickets R $10. We want to click delete for the second one. The next one is a grammar error, meaning that our words are not in the right order. Go ahead and click on change. And it'll tell us that we have successfully gotten done, and click OK. Do a Control Home to go back to the top of the document. Okay, researching information. The word research feature allows you to quickly search reference sources for the World Wide Web or the internet. So scroll down until the Helen Moffat is at the top of the page. Select Noted in the first or in the third paragraph by a noted, and let's click on this thesaurus. Point to prominent and click the down arrow and click insert. So we are changing the word noted with prominent. Right click the word enumeral in the first sentence of the first paragraph. and click to synonyms and click on numerous. Okay, select the 4 paragraphs of body text, so these 4 paragraphs, and click the word count. Okay, the word count shows you the number of pages, the number of words in that selection, how many characters with no spaces, with spaces, how many paragraphs, and how many lines. Go ahead and click close, do a control home. And go to your file tab and go file save as. We're going to have 2 documents for this lecture. So right after where it says lecture PR, press space and type public. And click save. It should automatically take you to your assignments unit B folder. Go ahead and turn the page to Word 38. Select your name and click the Insert tab. Click Hyperlink. Hyperlink brings up a dialog box and you want to click email address. And then type in, you can make up some fictitious email or you can use one that you automatically have. And for the subject, type travel lecture series. Okay, what this is doing is it's automatically setting up people, so if when we send this out in an email and they open it up, they can click on your name and automatically set up an email, composing an email to you with this email address and your subject that you've chosen, which is this lecture series. And press OK. Scroll down and select gas lamp quarter in the second paragraph. And click hyperlink from the insert group. And we want to do from existing file or web page. And where it says address, type www.gaslamp.org. And then click OK. Select detailed schedule in the last sentence of the 3rd paragraph. Click Insert Hyperlink. The address for this will be www.questspecialtytravel.com. And click OK. Right click the word quarter in gas lamp quarter and click Edit Hyperlink. Click Screen Tip. What a screen tip allows you to do is when somebody hovers over that link, it'll show them what you want them to see as far as, okay, they can go to this website for more information. And we're going to type in this little box where it says screen tip text. You're going to type map, parking, and other information about the gas lamp quarter. Click OK. Click OK. And press save. Hover over your gas lamp quarter and notice that it gives you this green tip. Okay, once you have saved, you can close Word and we are done.